Alright guys, welcome back to my vlog channel again. Unfortunately, I could not take you where I wanted to take you this morning because I got home at like 4 something and like it was almost impossible. Like last week for me was like extremely hectic, working very long hours. It was really tiresome. I mean, you probably could have seen like the bags under my eyes. So I'm still gonna try to take you somewhere again tonight. However, I'm gonna do something that's really important for myself as a vlogger, you know, which is feeding myself. That's another thing that I wanted to work on this year, which was eating right, you know, working out more, getting my body exercised. You know, it's really important, guys, because just working, trying to vlog, doing all that, working hard and not feeding yourself is just, it don't make no sense. You know, you're gonna get really old and then you're gonna try to be using whatever money you saved up to pay for prescriptions and whatever. It don't make any sense. So I was about to make a shake, which whenever I make my shake, some people might consider it disgusting. But for me, I like to put a lot of stuff in it. So if I drink that shake, I know I'm getting a lot of nutrients, a lot of vitamins. So I'm going to do that, and then I'm going to also cook. I'll show you that, yes, I can cook. But I think I'm half decent. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna call up Matthew and Ashley and Deidre and see if we can go somewhere else again tonight. But for the meantime, let's get to it. So as you guys can see, what I just add is just fruits. Any fruit, it doesn't really matter. Once it's a fruit and it's not like really sour, like acidic, I'm definitely putting it in there. 1 or 2. Definitely extra protein. I know you guys might be like, oh my god, eggs, eggs. Like eggs, you can definitely neutralize out the flavor of the eggs. Oatmeal, definitely, because that will fill you up, you know, get rid of cholesterol, you know, fiber, so that's awesome. And this thing here, Samola, it has like a lot of stuff in there. Yeah, so I just throw it in there. It's like a breakfast cereal, but I use it as well. Of course, milk powder, you know what that is already. Add that for flavoring as well. This for flavor as well, nutmeg for flavor, and yogurt again for flavor. And then for extra protein, I use this thing here. It's a whey protein which I use, and that pretty much should be like my combination. Now I know that you guys might be saying, yo, that's supposed to taste nasty and whatever, but trust me, like especially with the eggs and whatever, oh my god, it's gonna be nasty. You can balance out the flavors, guys, using different stuff. Like the yogurt, like pretty much almost cancels that. The fruits and the vanilla, all those stuff. I'm gonna actually add a little bit of salt, because as you know, salt enhances all the flavors. So I'm gonna show you the blending process pretty much, and then that will be it for the shake. Oh, I forgot to say, I usually add like probably like 5 different nuts and seeds to it, but unfortunately I'm out of that. And as I said, last week was like really busy, so I didn't get the opportunity to go to the health food store to buy that. So I'm gonna do it without for the moment, but yeah. So you guys might have seen that I poured 2 glasses, and the second glass is my sister. She was in Mobay, but she just came back up, which I'm super excited for, because being in the house by yourself, not the best thing. So I think it tastes pretty good, but I think it tastes it's alright for me because, as I said, it's not about like, oh my god, it's the best flavor, but it does taste good enough to drink like every single day to stop a gap whenever you feel hungry or to get like some vitamins and your supplements in. I'm going to let my sister be the judge of this, and I guess she will tell you and be the verdict of, can I do it or can I do it? Between you and I do not think so to see, I already drank mine. Tum tum tum, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up, turn up. No, it's not cold.
I wouldn't drink a full glass of this. No, because it's really thick.
It's thick,
So I wouldn't drink this much.
But
it's not sweet. This is a downside because I like sweet stuff, but for something healthy, it's okay.
So, unfortunately, this is not for the ladies because she said she cannot drink all of this. But for me, it's pretty simple. I mean, I don't know. If you want to get bigger and you want that help, you gotta do it. But anyhow, that's what I drink every day, guys, to pretty much get, you know, get some weight up. You know, I was at like previously probably like 145, but now I'm close to 170. So it does work. So I'm gonna try to start cooking something right now. Definitely something with chicken breast. I don't know where it's gonna take me, but something of that. That's why it's good to have a dog, guys. The ribs that you saw me cut off of the breast, I don't throw that away. I normally like make it into something. I made like curry. I made like curry ribs the other day and was in the fridge for a while. I didn't really get around to eating it. So, look who's ready. You ready? Where's the boat? Oh. Guys, there's no better smell than a little butter. Garlic. Woo. Smell that? Smell that. Oh gosh, I wish you guys could smell that. I wish you guys could smell that! Awesome. I'm just gonna add chicken. Not gonna do it really long because of course I want it to be tender. I don't want it to be dry. So we're not gonna do it overly long. Just spreading the chicken out. Everything is evenly done or as best as possible. Ooh, tell them on them can't cook. No youth. We can just give it a short little toss. Because it's cut so thinly, like I really don't need to have it on there really long. Make sure that all those little parts get done. And let that sit for a little bit longer. I think for this right now we're more than done. We're looking good and smelling good. It smells really good. Kind of ease that off of the heat a little bit. And over here you can see the pasta. I took it off, it's pretty al dente. I left a little bit of water in there so it wouldn't like start sticking together, even though I have oil. I have some oil on it. So what I'm gonna do is just quickly add back some of this to this. So even though I cooked the chicken fairly quickly, I still gave it enough cook time so that it will be cooking with the pasta nonetheless, if you get what I'm saying. So I don't want to overcook the chicken and then put the pasta on top of it again. You know, so that's what I did. To be honest, I don't know what this is about. I just knew it had some Chinese writing on it. So it must make it taste Chinesey. Yeah? If you want it to taste kind of like Chinese, you gotta add some Chinese stuff to it, right? But no matter what you try anyway, it's not gonna be like Mr. Chin thing. So that's like some vegetarian saute sauce thing, so it should do the trick. I'm not gonna lie guys, a little Chinese sauce really make a big difference. I just add a little bit more to get that flavor popping. It really make a big difference. It does taste a lot more like Chinese. And then of course I just got to add the finishing touch, which is the bok chow. And then just add in another bok chow. Let me pop some color and of course put some veg in your life. You know we love the V. And then I go make that steam a little bit. Bok chow will produce some of its own water. And then yeah, yo. To be quite frankly, it's really hard cooking with you guys in the kitchen, you know. It's really hard. As you guys can see, I just covered it down a little bit for it to steam, and then I'll eat, and then that should be it, man. And as you guys can see, we done. Simple, fast, quick. As always guys, thank you for spending some time with me today doing that. So I'm just going to take it to my sister, have that to eat, and I'll tell you how it is, and also see what happens tonight. We definitely want to go somewhere. I'm not sure exactly where, but I'm taking somewhere different and show you around Kingston a little bit more. For those who I've spoken to before, as I said, like February is supposed to be like a lot more outdoorsy. So it's not going to be in Kingston for a majority of February, so just look out for that, alright?